We are looking at how to pronounce this word from medicine. Let's break down the pronunciation. Pacinian, Pacinian. Some say it more, with a more open sound, more Pacinian, Pacinian or Pacinian, stress on the second syllable. We are looking at how to pronounce this word from medicine. Let's break down the pronunciation. Pacinian, Pacinian. Some say it more, with a more open sound, more Pacinian, Pacinian or Pacinian, stress on the second syllable. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.